This is an unusual time in the evolution of the Maximo product, going from Maximo 7.6 to Mass, and the shift, from your traditional Windows Server Unix deployment to a Red Hat OpenShift. And people have been sitting still a lot longer than normal, and we know that because IBM is offering extended support and sustained support, and we're seeing a lot of customers taking advantage of that. And as a result of this, we're getting questions. Well, what happens if we go off support? Do we lose Maximo? What happens if we want to come back later? And I'm not aware of published answers on this, generally speaking. So first off, if you're not on support, you're not going to get support from IBM. That means you're not going to be able to download patches or anything else that you would normally have access to. Now, if you're in a extended sustained support and you don't have help desk access, this is where we see customers really going, well, what am I getting? Why am I paying that support? You're paying that support because you are an existing IBM customer, and that maintains that status as an IBM customer, which means for that roughly 20% support fee that you're paying every year, you have the right to the latest version of the software, all the support on that. So someone will naturally look at that and go, well, so I just don't pay for 2 years and then I just go buy it again. Well, IBM knows you're a customer. They have your record, your history, and the best value, if you're going to do that a couple years later, is probably just stay on support. Keep that up to date, stick with it, and invest your time and effort into figuring out how to make the move to Mass in such a manner that it generates an ROI for the business. I'm sure you have more questions, so hit us up, call, email, like, subscribe, get ready with Benetti.